Alright, here we are at the hotel waiting to get on the bus.
25 minutes late.
25 minutes late, probably another 10 more minutes late.
25 minutes of not seeing Malta.
I know, oh well. And yeah, we're going to go and see all the islands. I don't know exactly where we're going around, but I know it's like this. Yep, that's it. That's it. And Craig's going to do his review now.
Hello. Today we'll be examining the artifacts of Malta. Some of them ancient times and ruins where people have lived for many years. The buildings are ruins. Some of them uninhabitable. If you didn't hear that because of the bus, it's uninhabitable. But we will explore some of the history, some of the magnificent parts of this beautiful country. Au revoir.
So that's my day. So yeah.
I couldn't think of anything else.
I don't know how you come up with that stuff. Help, line. And there's Robert with a camera. Bear's down there. So we're just chilling. He holds it like he holds when you're children, like out in front. Just. Nate's got a bigger head. All right. Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door.
Hey door.
Right, so here we are at the valletta, the big bridge and archway. It's pretty awesome. I know.
It's so lovely.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
So here we are at the entrance of Valletta. And this is beautiful.
So what's
When were we last here? We were here 4 years ago? See my shadow. Cool bridge. How cool is the elevator?
This is obviously they restorated this,
Yep, this used to be a moat.
and this is what they're doing in the town.
Yeah.
Around behind the point. There's a big restoration happening around there.
It's pretty cool, eh? What do you think, Greggy? Look, you can look right down. Oh, I don't want it to break. How cool is this? All the stops?
the biggest stop?
No, Medina is
Dream catchers.
You just tell Mum if she sees something she wants it, she's just got to buy it because we're not going to go.
Where is she?
Hey, watch out. Watch out.
See something you want?
Where are we, Dad?
Hello, we're in Valletta.
Okay.
You write a letter at Valletta?
Valletta. What do you think? You enjoying it?
I don't know. I don't know where I am.
I think it's beautiful.
Dementia Valletta.
Dementia Valletta.
It's lovely. Actually, it's a narrow little street, dark corners. People saying, "You want to buy a picture?"
Oh my God.
Watch.
Alright, here we are at Valletta Harbour. And this is it. You can see how big it is. Here you go, Dad. What do you think? Cool, huh?
I think that's where you come in. It's a harbour.
Here's where they shoot the cannons. I think they do it at 1 o'clock.
Oh, do they?
Well, there's the gunman, and there's the sabots and everything.
Where?
So they just saying the thing is they're doing
Yeah, but it's midday. Midday at 1 o'clock. I'm just gonna... Right, head back. Hey, door.
Whatever you want.
Lucky
to
Pete's.
go.
Going to Lucky Pete's.
All right.
Better call and reserve a table.
Here we are back at Valletta. We went up the Corso, saw everything.
Also, it's not Manly.
Manly Corso. And now we're just chilling here,
Chilling.
having a great time, aren't we, Faffy?
Standing in the shade.
Debro's having fun, aren't you, Debro?
That's a yawn you can see. He's having fun.
And we're all having fun. Kim's having the best fun. Look at her.
Fabulous.
And that smile is not false.
So the view was awesome. I went.
You just didn't
I just didn't see it. And then yeah, we'll carry on. So what's the next stop? What's the next stop?
Moster Church.
Moster Church. Next stop.
Somebody knew that the padlock, wanted the padlock.
The big dome church where the World War bomb dropped.
Hey, door. Malta. Alright, so we just got straight off the bus. We've all gotten fika, we've gotten food, we're just chilling. Dad's reading his book. I got heaps of food. Ben got heaps of food. Pizza breakfast? Yes. Thank you, sir. Enjoy. Pizza breakfast.
I'm going to try a little bit, bug.
Have fun? You're in a swing.
What is it?
Can't wait. Deborah's run away. We're having fun.
The church is just across and
Yes,
the bus stop
yes.
is on the corner. That's for him
Thank you so much.
The sauce is gluten-free as well.
Perfect, thank you.
and this bus. Thank you.
What do you think, babe?
It's good.
It looks delicious.
Hey, doll. Hey, doll. Hey, doll.
Water for the whole boat.
So here we are at the place, the church, and it's very quiet. It still is quiet. You don't see the whole. Oh my god. Okay, cool. So I want you to do this from here. I want you to look straight at that hole, and I want you to go down to 4 o'clock, just a little bit. You'll see one little dot, white dot. No, not that far. Right there. So big ring, and then about 4 o'clock you'll see a little dot. Here, hold this. Keep it upwards. I'll take a picture. There, right there. It's the third gold thing. Rub it there. See, there it is. The third little dot. Yeah, the dot just kept the gold piece.
That's minuscule. Got a lot of candle.
Beautiful blokes. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
So here we are waiting for the bus.
Again.
We've been standing here for about 35 minutes now.
Again.
We went to the church around the corner, which was great. It's just really, really hot. It's really
There
late.
was supposed to be one at 2:30 as well, wasn't it? Huh? No.
Bus
Oh.
is late and late and
Late
late
and
and
late and
late.
late. We'll never go on this bus company again. It was shit. But
Well, the
what
2:30
can you do?
come here. No, it's
Another bus.
Go to another bus.
late. It's like every hour. So like,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, so it's 35 minutes later. We're still waiting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice jet ski.
There's only 4.
So we're still waiting for the bus to get to
buses, one,
the
two.
silent city Medina to see Manuel.
Very boring.
We've been
We're
here
waiting.
for
We've
like
been
half
here.
an
We've been
hour.
here for a while. It's pretty good.
It's an exciting corner stand.
I feel like a hooker. I need to be. Hey, baby.
But you can count the number of bricks in the building.
Wow.
Pretty exciting.
For you, maybe. For us, no.
Yeah, but after you count it,
Bus stays in Medina.
320.
Look what I got, big doll.
Where'd you get that from, Susie?
$5.27.
It's just over there.
anyway.
Here, what's this? Nah, green bus.
You got all excited. Here, let's just show
No, sorry.
Well, in the end, we'd like to catch it anyway. So, can you catch the red bus?
Look, we're almost saying green, green, blue, blue.
Green, green, blue,
And
blue.
do.
Ha!
Gonna get run over. Put a bus stop for a reason.
Another green one.
Green, green,
Bus stop.
blue, blue.
Right in the way. So, yeah, welcome to Malta. We're running on Malta time. Oh, I will run out there in front of it, don't you worry. You'll be in there?
No, I'm in here.
Yeah, I
The
know that.
Scream out.
Yeah, I know. Bye.
I just want to buy a calendar.
What a day.